We have done question number 7. Now look at question number 9 on page 46. Okay, that was homework. Now look at question number 8 on page 46. We attended. Yes, question number 8. Page number 46. From the following information, prepare a statement of changes in financial position on working capital basis. Now, first additional information. On 1/4/2016, machinery of rupees 3,000, stock worth rupees 1,000 and goodwill acquired by issue of shares. Machinery of book value 6,000 was sold for rupees 6,500. Now be and put your pens down. Machinery of rupees 3,000. So machinery comes in, debit what comes in? Machinery account debit with 3,000. Stock worth rupees 1,000. So stock comes in, debit what comes in? Stock account debit with 1,000. Goodwill. So goodwill comes in, debit what comes in? Goodwill account debit, but its value is not given. Can you see that? By issue of shares. So share goes out, credit what goes out to equity share capital account. Now see in liabilities side, what is equity share capital or share capital's opening balance? Closing. So how many equity shares are issued? So equity share capital we will credit with 6,000. Now what shall be the goodwill? 2,000. 6,000 minus 4,000, goodwill will be equal to 2,000. That is balancing figure. Any doubts up there here? Now effects in fund flow statement, understand it. Where would you show purchase of machinery? Uses of funds. Further, where would you show stock? Current assets, step 1. So no effect. Because in balance sheets, stock it is already included. What is opening stock? Closing? So difference of, in that 6,000, 1,000 is because of purchase of stock against shares. But automatically when we show that working capital is increasing by 6,000 in step 1, this 1,000 will automatically be included. So it will have no effect since it will already be included in current assets. It will have no effect. Where will we show goodwill's purchase? What we show in fund from operation is goodwill written off. Uses of fund, this is purchase of goodwill. Okay, goodwill is acquired. So purchase of goodwill will be shown in uses of funds. Is everyone clear up there here? And where will you show issue of equity shares? Sources of funds. Did you understand this adjustment effect? Okay. Purchase of machinery 3,000 will come in uses of funds. Even if you don't make this working from the adjustment. Purchase of machinery 3,000 will come in uses of funds. Then stock, current assets, it will be included, so it will have no effect. Goodwill balancing figure, you can see shares are issued worth 6,000 and goodwill, stock and machinery counts to only 4,000, means remaining 2,000 is due to goodwill. So that goodwill purchase 2,000 will also be included in uses of funds, and issue of shares of 6,000 will be included in sources of funds. Any confusion with this? Read on this working notebook. Or if you make this working. Now see in adjustment 1, further what is given. Machinery of book value 6,000. You can give it to Ashish also, no problem. Yes, we had a machinery of book value 6,000 was sold for 6,500. So, Disha, what effect will take this? Yes? Profit is 500. Effect O plus, O minus. Or if you write down there itself profit 500. 6,000 machinery sold for 6,500, so profit is 500. Net on profit 500 O minus. Any doubt with that? What else? Yes, sale of machinery for 6500 will come in sources of funds. 6500 market as S. Did you understand this? Now, see in machinery, what is opening balance? 25,000 in balance sheet. Closing balance? 20,000. So, purchase is already given. What is missing regarding machinery? Depreciation. Here we will have to make machinery account to find depreciation. Will you make machinery account by first method WDV or second method cost? How do you decide? Should we make WDV or cost? Accumulated depreciation subtracted in balance sheet, then you make it at cost. Is there any accumulated depreciation subtracted in balance sheet? So we have to prepare by the first alternative. We have to make it at WDV to find depreciation. So in balance sheet, machinery, write ledger account. Let us make machinery account, and the purpose of making machinery account is to find depreciation. Okay? So second working note, machinery account 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again? 25,000. On opening balance 25,000 on debit side, all of it down to balance brought down 25,000. Now, closing balance 20,000 will come on credit side, buy balance carried down 20,000. It will come on credit side is sold, machinery sold of 6,500 will come on credit side, buy bank account 6,500. What else? What 1,500? No, that's wrong. Eman?
Profit on debit side to profit and loss account 500.
Profit 6,500 is sold at a profit of 500, so profit will come on debit side to profit and loss account 500 to equity share capital account. Okay, first journal entry is already passed. Machinery account debit side 3,000, not 5,000. Here purchase machinery of 3,000 will write to equity share capital account. Okay, to equity share capital account, machinery purchase of 3,000, and now whatever balance remains would be the amount of depreciation. So 28,500 minus 26,500, so that is 2,000 by depreciation account in bracket balancing figure. Did everyone understand how to find this depreciation? What will be the effect of this in fund flow statement? O plus. Depreciation will come in fund from operations as a non-cash expense. Any doubt in this? Now, further, from adjustment 1 itself, stock we discussed, goodwill. See in balance sheet, what is goodwill's opening? Closing means written off is there. How much is written off? No, it's not 1,000. 3,000. We have acquired goodwill of 2,000 also. But to show that we'll make goodwill's ledger account. So in balance sheet, goodwill also mark it as ledger account. How much is written off we will show by making goodwill's ledger account. Now how to make goodwill's ledger account? Understand it, everyone. Has everyone made the format? What is opening balance of goodwill? 6,000. Which side will it come? Debit side. Goodwill always has debit balance. To balance brought down 6,000. And where will closing balance of 5,000 come? Credit side. Buy balance carried down 5,000. Any doubt on this? Now from first journal entry, goodwill is acquired on 2,000. So where the effect will come? Goodwill account on debit side to equity share capital account 2,000. And whatever balance remains is written off. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 5, 3,000 by profit and loss account in bracket balancing figure. So this is what is written off. Did everyone understand this? What effect will you give for this goodwill written off? O plus. Non-cash expense we will debit in added fund from operations. Is everyone clear with that? So first adjustment is completely done. Issue of shares we have written in sources of funds. Now look at second adjustment. On 31/3/2016, debentures were redeemed for 4,900. Now, see in balance sheet. What is opening balance of debentures? 5,000. Closing balance? Nil. Means entire 5,000 of debentures are redeemed. But we have redeemed for 4,900. Means the company is at a profit or at a loss?
Company is at a profit.
Company is at a profit against 5,000. Company is redeeming and paying only 4,900. So company is at a profit. Means entry would be at the debentures account would get debited with 5,000. They are redeemed with 5,000. So close it with 5,000. But to bank account we are paying them how much money? 4,900. And to profit on redemption we are paying them 100 rupees less. That is our profit of 100. Okay. Where would you show redemption of debentures? Uses of funds. And where would you show profit? O minus. Okay. 4,900 will be shown in uses of fund and profit will come in O minus. It is credited to P&L account but not due to business operating activities. Is everyone clear with this? Show this workings. So 4,900 will come in uses of fund, 100 will come in O minus. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Shall I take it further? Shareholders were paid 2,500 cash for dividend. Dipesh, what will be the effect of 2,500? No effect in fund flow statement. Shareholders were paid 2,500 cash for dividend. Uses of funds. Where do we show dividend paid? Uses of funds. Mark it as U. Now see in balance sheet. What is unclaimed dividend opening balance? Nil. Closing 1,000. We'll have to make dividends ledger account to find proposed dividend. Mark it as ledger account. Proposed dividend or unclaimed dividend, anything you can write. Opening balance is nil. Unclaimed dividend. Do we have any opening balance? So opening balance is nil. By balance brought down nil. Opening balance comes on credit side. Further. Closing balance is at 5,000. Which account you are saying? Which question you are saying? Yes? Question 8 only we are doing, right? So unclaimed dividend, don't you find nil and 1,000? 5,000 where do you get it from? To balance carried down 1,000. Further? Have you done the homework? Why absent yesterday? You'll face a lot of problems in this chapter. Workings itself will not be able to make, how will you make the whole solution later? And there is a simple working, complicated is fix a set, 2-3 options, that only you not understand. Nayar? Have you done the homework? In the homework dividend account was there, right? So you must be able to tell me. Abhishek?
31st period, debenture, 200 4,000.
Debentures is all done. I am talking about dividend now. Why debentures will record in dividend account? Why will debentures come in dividend account? Namrata? Dividend paid 2,500 will come on debit side. 5-6 questions we have almost done this way. Still you people are not able to answer how to make dividend account. How you are doing the homework then? Now whatever balance remains is proposed dividend. So 3,500 minus nil 3,500 itself is by profit and loss account. Did everyone understand this? In bracket balancing figure. What will be the effect of this 3,500 proposed dividend? O plus. Okay, it is an appropriation that will get added in fund from operations. Now look at remaining items of balance sheet. Liabilities set. Share capital, we have already done the marking. In the working note 1, it is shown as sources of funds. Some are reserves and surplus. U. Emma? Reserves and surplus. Oh, it is the starting point of O. There is no P&L account given separately. We'll start with closing balance of reserves and surplus minus opening balance of reserves and surplus. Someone uses? 10% debentures. Now listen carefully, I discussed the shortcut. If date given is beginning, then count interest on and in closing amount. And date given is closing, then count on beginning amount. In second adjustment, what is the date of redemption of debentures given? 31/3/16. So you'll count interest on opening balance 5,000. Here we have to count interest. So write down on the left side interest count 5,000. The page 2 effects. O plus, mark it as O plus and U. Did you understand this? See, understand this, you are repaying the debentures at the end of the year. Means you are using this 5,000 of debentures for whole year. So you have to pay interest on that at 10%. But remember that shortcut, whether issued or redeemed. Beginning date then count on closing figure, closing date then count on beginning date. It will always be correct. Okay. Then Raj, trade payables, current liabilities, CL, unclaimed dividend we have already made the ledger account, goodwill we have done the workings, machinery we have done the workings, Nitra, stock, current assets, debtors, current assets, and also cash balance, current assets. Okay. Step 1, schedule of changes in working capital. ... limited name is not given. Schedule of changes in working capital. Particulars 31/3/15, 31/3/16. Changes in working capital, increase and decrease. In 1 minute, make the formats. Do it fast, everyone. Now, Abhishek,
Sir,
current assets in that stock,
opening 12,000 and closing 18,000.
opening 12,000, closing 18,000.
Increase by 6.
Current assets have which relation?
Direct.
Direct relation. Stock is increasing, so working capital will increase by 6,000. Then, Samarth,
The
debtors,
15,000 opening and
opening balance 15,000,
4,000 increase, 19,000.
closing balance 19,000, increase of 4,000. Direct relation. Then, Patel, cash balance 2,000 and 3,000, increase of 1,000. Direct relation. Now we look at total. Mark it as A, 12, 27, 29,000, 18, 37, 40,000. Any doubts with this? Only first two columns total. Okay. Then urban less current liabilities we have to subtract from that. So
Trade payables.
in that we have only one item, that is trade payables.
Opening balance 11,000 and closing balance 9,000. Increase in 2,000.
7,000, 9,000 now.
11,000
Sorry, 11,000 and 9,000.
2,000 increase.
Now current liabilities are
Invoice.
inverse relation. So if current liability is decreasing, working capital will increase by 2,000. Only one item, so that itself is the total.
Yes.
11,000 and 9,000. Dipesh, only first two columns total is to be done.
Increase.
Now you know. Then Netra, net working capital, how will we find? A minus B.
18,000.
Yes, 29,000 minus 11,000, 18,000.
32,000.
40,000 minus 9,000, 31,000. Is everyone clear with this? What about last two columns? Only total 6, 10, 11, 13,000 and nil. Now we will do the balancing. 31,000 both the sides, minus 18,000, 13,000. 13,000 both the sides, minus nil, 13,000. What does this represent?
Increase.
Increase. From 18,000 working capital is increasing to 31, means it's increasing by 13,000. Otherwise also total increase in 13 decreases nil, means it is increasing by 13,000. Increase in net working capital. At least in exams, this statement should always be correct. Even if there are any mistake in markings and workings, mistakes will come in fund from operations and main fund flow statement, sources and uses. But the schedule of changes you should always be able to get it correct. Okay. Now fund from operations. So at least 3 to 4 marks will be for this statement, that you should always be able to get it correct. Thirty seconds made fast. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, be attentive. Jed,
Closing balance of reserves and surplus.
closing balance. Here P&L account is not given, so we'll start with closing balance of reserves and surplus. That is 19,000. Then
Minus opening balance of reserves.
let's opening balance of reserves and surplus.
14.
$14,000. So 5,000 is
Net.
net profit. Then Surita,
Items that items related to profit and loss account non-resulting outflow.
items debited to profit and loss account not resulting in outflow of funds will be added. Yes.
Depreciation on machinery 2,000.
Depreciation on machinery 2000. In bracket working note 2. Goodwill written off 3000 in bracket working note 3.
Proposed dividend 3,500.
Proposed dividend 3500 in bracket working note 4. Interest on debentures, did you not mark it as O plus and U in liability side? Interest on debentures in the question liability side. In the question, interest on debentures. So interest on debentures 5,000 into 10%. So it's not 5,000, 5,000s. 10% interest is 500. Are you all clear with this? So each and every corner of question you must see carefully. Depreciation on machinery 2000 will come in O plus. Then goodwill written off 3000 will come in O plus. Then proposed dividend 3500 will come in O plus. Okay. Further interest on debentures we have marked as 500. So total amount what we have to add is 2, 5, 8, 9,000. 5 plus 9, 14,000. We have O minus items also.
Yes.
So we'll subtract items credited to profit and loss account but not resulting in inflow of funds. Okay. So which items will be included in that?
Redemption of preferential.
First profit of 500. See in the first adjustment we have marked. Profit on
Sale of business.
sale of machine 500. Are you all clear with this? And then we have this working note for profit on redemption of 100. Profit on redemption of debentures 100. So 600 we have to minus 13,400 is fund from operations. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions? Now we will make main fund flow statement. So limited fund flow statement for the year ending 31/3/16. Thirty seconds for the format, make it pass. Tomorrow we'll finish with fund flow statement, then cash flow statement, they will start after that.
Sir, 15 marks of question.
15 marks from fund flow, in option 15 marks from cash flow.
Which one is less time?
Both are equally time consuming. Workings will remain same in both. In cash flow, we have to make only one statement, but it's very lengthy. So it's equal to these three. Yes, let's start with it now. Very first, we will mark with sources of fund. Ellen?
Fund from operations.
Very first, fund from operations 13,400. Okay, fund from operations 13,400. Then
Sale of machines.
liability side we have not marked anything, asset side we have not marked anything. Directly from the adjustment we have sale of machinery 6,500. Issue of equity shares 6,000 is also a source of fund. Issue of equity shares in bracket working note 1 6,000. Three sources of funds, so 13, 19, 25, 900. From that we have to subtract uses of funds. See first liability side. Have you marked anything as you? Interest on debentures 500. Okay, 5,000 10%, 500. Anything else marked as you in liability side? No. Asset side? No. Adjustment 1 from working note 1. Purchase of machinery 3,000, purchase of goodwill 2,000. Purchase of machinery 3,000. Purchase of goodwill 2,000. From adjustment to redemption of debentures 4,900 is also uses of fund. Redemption of debentures 4,900. Anything else marked as you? Okay, dividend paid 2,500. This redemption of debentures is working note 4. Purchase of machinery working note 1. Goodwill, purchase of goodwill working note 1. Total uses at 3, 5, 9, 11, 12,900. What is 25,900 minus 12,900? And in step 1 also what did we get? 13,000. Increase in net working capital. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts on it? Now, question number 10 is your homework. I am discussing it, be attentive. Page 46 and then adjustments are on 47. First we go through the adjustments of it. Following are the balance sheets of ABC Limited as on 31/12/15 and 31/12/16. First additional information: during the year ended on 31/3/16, dividend of 23,000 was paid. Uses of funds marked as U in balance sheet. Do you have any proposed dividend?
No.
So this itself also marked as O plus. No need to make the ledger account. Understand this? Opening balance nil, closing balance nil. They don't have it. You have paid dividend of. So entire amount, what will be the balancing figure? 25,000. Without making the ledger account, because there is no proposed dividend in the balance sheet, this itself would be proposed as well as paid. So mark it as O plus. Two effects it will have. 23,000 of proposed dividend will come in fund from operations also, and dividend paid will come in uses of fund also. Did you understand this? Assets of the company purchased for 50,000 payable in shares. And then 50,000 payable in shares marked as S sources of funds. Now stock 20,000, no effect because it will be already included in current assets. Machinery 25,000, uses of fund. And this journal entry now, what will be the goodwill amount? Stock account debit with 20,000, machinery account debit with 25,000, goodwill account debit to equity share capital with 50,000. So difference of 5,000 will come to goodwill. That will also come in uses of funds. Any doubts with this? Machinery of 8,000 purchase in addition to the above. That will also come in uses of funds. Market as you know, you'll make machinery account find depreciation. No need. It's given in adjustment to machinery's depreciation 14,000. Do you find it or not?
Yes.
So no need of making machinery account. Even if you make it, it will become squared up account. For example, what is opening balance? 1,50,000. Define that?
Yes, sir.
Do it 1,50,000 plus debit side purchase of 25,000 plus 8,000.
1,83,000.
1,83,000 would be debit side total
Yes.
minus depreciation 14,000.
160.
See, closing is 169 or not?
Yes.
So you'll get scared up account. No need to make machinery account here because generally we make machinery account either to find purchases or to find depreciation. Purchase is also given, depreciation is also given. No need of machinery's ledger account. Next, depreciation written off during the year market as O plus. Both buildings depreciation as well as machinery's depreciation. Now regarding buildings, see in the balance sheet what is opening balance of building, closing, and depreciation 10,000. So no need of making building account also. Difference of 10,000 represents depreciation itself. Any doubts with this? Income tax paid during the year 28,000. Uses of fund and balance sheet provision for tax market as ledger account. So that will be your working mode 1. Okay. What will you do to find? Why will you make provision for tax to find? Current year's provision for tax. Then bank loan was repaid on 1/4/15 market as uses of fund, but 1/4/15, so you will count interest on closing balance. In balance sheet bank loan, what is opening? Closing, so no interest. Entire 70,000 you paid in the beginning, so you don't have to pay any interest during the year. Okay, you should get to count on closing balance, but do you have any closing value? So no interest. Did you understand this? Bank loan repaid will come in uses of funds. Now look at the remaining things. Share capital 2 lakhs and 250. We already marked it in adjustment 1B.
Yes.
Don't remark it again. Okay, in adjustment 1B, that 50,000 that we already marked as sources of fund or not? 50,000 payable in shares. General reserve,
Starting of
no, not starting point, PL is there, O plus. Transfer to general reserve 10,000, you will write it in items debited to P&L account but not resulting in outflow of funds. Mark it as O plus. P&L account O, this is starting point. Bank loan we have marked in adjustment 4 as uses of fund. Provision for tax we are going to make ledger account. Trade payable, current liabilities here. Goodwill we have marked in adjustment B as uses of fund. There is no written off. In adjustment B, we make the journal entry. What was goodwill coming to?
5,000.
And closing is also?
5,000.
So nothing is written off. Goodwill written off is not there in this question. Okay. Yes, if closing was 4,000,
1,000.
then you would have made the ledger account to find goodwill written off. But here you don't have it. Land and building, no need of ledger. Plant and machinery, no need of ledger. Inventory, CA. Trade receivable, CA. Cash balance, CA. Did you understand this, everyone? So this question is your homework. Far more simpler than the current one.
Yes.
Okay, only one working is there, that is for provision for tax. Tomorrow we'll complete the chapter, only one question is remaining and then exams question we'll discuss and you'll take it in homework.